when they picked this up, when they moved it, it was picked up, put underneath large beams, wheels, running gear. Inside, the only thing that changed in here was these things were laid on the floor, flat. The altar, which is freestanding, was tied to the side walls so it couldn't tip forward or backward. The statue of Christ, the candle, and so forth was laid on the floor right down here. Other than that, everything stayed just the way it is. I think we put some cleats by the pianos to keep them from rolling free. We got up here, put it in place, looked it over. We found none cracked window panes in the stained glass windows or any other windows. And the only thing that was evident that had changed was the door going into that storage room was stuck shut. And one swift kick took care of that. And I like to say, I got doors in my house that stick and it doesn't ever go anywhere. And so this is, under the circumstances, an excellent job of moving a structure by the moving company, to their credit.